Hello, small world. We are going to do a video count through of all of the movement that we started to learn yesterday. Some of the beginning may be slightly different. Just go with the video version and not with the version that you learned. So the arms in the beginning are just a tiny bit different. And we're going to count through the whole thing, and then we'll do another video with the entire thing with music. And I'll do it facing away from you so that you know which arm and leg and everything to do. So in the beginning, you hold, I'll count you in, you walk, you enter group 2, group 3, group 1, and group 4. When you walk in, you are facing the back, which right now is the front for me. So you're here, you hold those 8 counts, you step out with your right leg first, you step out 1, 2, 3, 4, your arms go up 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to step tap 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to open our arms down 5, 6, 7, 8. From there we pivot, turn around, or just step and turn. You'll want to step with your right foot, turn back around to the front. You have 1 full 8 count to do that. From here we repeat, arms go up, 1, 2, they go to the side, 3, 4. You will open up 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we clap, step, clap, 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 clap. Do it again, clap, 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 clap. From there we're going to start the step touch to the front. Just shoulder goes down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the fun turn to the front. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms wrap around, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here your arms windmill around. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you just back.